So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website gigabyte.com, this official website, so you can download driver. Then this is search button, and then you enter your model number which is you required, and then hit enter. Then click on product, and then click to support. Then select your operating system which is you required, Windows 10, 11, both installations process same. So this is audio driver, and you can see this is audio driver and this is size, and just click to download. This is download button. Now after that you can see this is downloading start. Then it is done, and just single click to open and double click to exe, and then double click to exe. Wait few seconds to complete. Click on yes. Then now auto. And then means automatically close means it is installed.